Oh, I just switched to DS. Oh, you guys like that? I just switched to DSE. That's the digital special effects. See that? That's what my camera can do. Okay. Now this is our small washer. This is our small washer. It's just like a regular washer and all that. Now you can see all these pipes on the ground here. One goes to the small washer there, and the other one goes to the big washer. Okay, here's the big washer. I'm going to open it up for you guys. Wait, I got to unlock it. Now you can see the little doors and all that. And they spin, and there's 3 different chambers inside of it. There's a 100-pound washer. Okay. Then we got 2 50-pound dryers. Now these presses work just like, like when you send your stuff out to get pressed, this is the same type of ones they put them on. Now, being that we're SHs and all that, and we do all the pressing, we also have the space to hang up all of our uniforms. See, it's like a given thing. Since we have laundry and presses and all that, the ship expects us to look the best out of all of them. So it's an image. There's the jacket, Mom. Jacket and the shirts. Mom, you are like heaven sent. I don't remember ever mentioning to you about a Nautica jacket. That is just beautiful. Everyone in my division wants to get a hold of that jacket. It's like, if I find it missing. Vargas, Juan, he wants to get a hold of that keychain. He loves those. But that's all of our uniforms. Okay, this is my new radio. Mom, you'd love this. Okay, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 disc changer. It's all on a carousel. It's not like a big turntable like yours. It's all on a carousel. It individually loads one at a time. I can turn around and I hit this button here, and it unloads and loads 1 CD at a time. Now, it also, I have hooked up now, well, I'll show you the speakers. Got 1 speaker over there. Now, there guys' pictures too. See? Got 1 speaker over there, and I got 1 speaker over there mounted. That's where we do a lot of pressing, so we have them mounted in my working areas. We got the auxiliary function here, and now we've got TV VCR over here. Right now it's playing Air Combat. Get you guys a little got a little insight, see how the game looks. Looks really good. It takes a little while to load.
Gentlemen, you are the cream of the world's air forces. This country desperately needs your help. An extremely well-armed and organized terrorist force carried out a coup d'etat. Attempts to free our country have been foiled by repeated surprise attacks.
Yeah, it's a lot like the simulators we play on the computer. It's not as good, but it's pretty good though. It's fun. Corazon and Justin and Sap, they will not leave this game alone. I've only played it like once or twice. They keep coming down when I'm not doing things and load it up and start playing it. They're better at it than I am. It's like the VCR. I've only used it once, and they've been down here like 3 or 4 times in between while I've been working, coming down and using it. So there's that. You can also see the back side of the TV. I got the speakers running to it. I am about out of battery juice here. There's that though. I will get it going so you guys can see it. Trying to load it. Trying to load it up, Dad, so you can see it. Like I said, since it's a CD, it takes a little while to load.
Ready? Right now.
That's what it's all about. Turn around and move. Fire the missiles. Fire the guns. Alright, that's what it's all about. Now, take that off and switch to regular TV. Well, tape's starting to end here. I gotta get going. I'm gonna end this clip. I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. I love you. And I'll show you guys, I'll talk some more at the end of this. Bye bye.